it's forever, ever, ever, yeah. You and me together, yeah. There ain't nothing better, yeah. Let's hold this like it's now or never, ever, ever, yeah. You and me are tethered like forever, ever, ever, yeah. I can see you with my eyes closed. I can feel you near. In the next room over.
Hi Momenters, hi viewers, thanks for watching another Moments by Boothe video. If you're new to the channel, I am Akeem Boothe, real estate YouTuber and realtor, and this is your one-stop shop for all things Jamaican real estate. So today, I'm in Liguanea, one of the most central locations in Kingston, and we're going to be checking into a 2-bed, 1-bath, 4.9 star Airbnb that boasts superhost status, and it is going for a steal at 87 USD per night. Amply named the Liguanea Oasis. This Airbnb features key amenities such as a swimming pool with gazebo area for entertaining, a lush garden with seating area, walking path, and outdoor jogging trail. Not to mention that safety is a must, and you're located conveniently beside the police station in Liguanea. So stepping into the Oasis, and we have the first bedroom located to my left. I love the color scheme inside here, orange and blue, which are akin to my brand colors. So you know it's definitely a vibe. You have a small seating area to the right of the room that facilitates any work that you need to do computer-wise. There's also a iron and the ironing board located here. You have this nice mirror that's right here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button right now. So stepping into the living area, it wouldn't be an Oasis without a plant tree inside the living. You have a nice table. Coming to this Airbnb, you will have welcome drinks for each guest. There will also be water provided. As you can see, that's on the dining table. Windy air conditioning unit, that is a must. Big up to my people over at Carlisa Enterprises. You have Moments by Boothe going on YouTube. There's also Netflix on this television, full cable TV coming soon to this Airbnb. There's also Alexa smart lights that set the mood for you when you want them to be set. Alexa, change lights to blue. There we go. We have a Wintec fan. Big up Carlisa Enterprises again. More plants. And I'll save the balcony area for last, but let's move our way into the kitchen before checking out the second bedroom. So this is the kitchen area. Snacks are provided, coffee, teas. If you're staying here long term, you're facilitated with a 5-gallon water supply for your drinking pleasure. There goes my welcome drink. I'll take a sip of that in a moment. This particular Airbnb is fully equipped. You have pots, plates, pans, cutlery, toaster, coffee maker, electric kettle, air fryer, electric cooktop, microwave. So stepping into the bathroom, you are facilitated with a washing machine. There is a drying yard on the outside. There goes your sink. What's customary and what is provided: shampoo, conditioner, soaps, small vanity kit. You have a first aid kit. You have a room mistifier, raindrop shower head, glass shower enclosure, and an internal cubby to store any things you might carry. So let's move on into the primary bedroom. And as I mentioned, setting the mood is always a vibe. Alexa, change room light to blue.
A few things share the main room light. Which one did you want?
The one in the bedroom. So Alexa's not working with me right now, but the smart home functionality is here. You can play songs. If I didn't want to be copyright struck, I would play a song for you guys. Air conditioning unit is conveniently located inside the primary bedroom as well. And from this vantage point, you can look through the windows and get a really nice view of the pool area, the entertainment space that I mentioned, and the lush greenery. And it is a very sizable room. There is facilitation for an additional bed that can be placed inside this room or in the living space if you'd like, but this room is definitely big enough to house the additional bed, so you can sleep some additional persons. So let's check out the balcony area and wrap this video up. So on your balcony, whilst you stay, you have a nice table that you can enjoy coffee and breakfast in the morning. There's also insect netting that's placed right here, so you won't be disturbed by any bugs or mosquitoes. And that's a very nice touch by the homeowner. There are drapes, just in case you don't want all that natural light coming in. You can slide the drapes and block out that natural sunlight, but I don't anticipate you wanting to do that. Also, what is available is yoga classes upon request, personal private tours of Kingston, of parties, of different events, and also a kickboxing activity if you want that to be facilitated for yourself as well. But that has been it for this particular Airbnb tour. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget that there will be a link down the description box that you can click to get to this particular Airbnb. I'll also leave a number that you can utilize to contact the superhost of this particular Airbnb. But that has been it from me. Don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms, and that is what I'm out here doing each and every time I make one of these videos for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment as well down in the comment section to let me know and the Airbnb owner know what are the things you love about this particular Airbnb, and what are some suggestions on how you would even make this space more great. But thank you guys so much for watching. AB signing out.
Let's play this out like it's forever, ever, ever, yeah. You and me together, yeah. There ain't nothing better, yeah. Let's hold this like it's now or never, ever.